Measure the sheet size. Release the emergency stop button with on. Press the pump start. Enter the cutting parameter, 342. Press the enter key and then the start key. Step the pedal and start cutting. Step the pedal and start cutting. Press the stop key. Remeasure the sheet size. Click the start. Feed the pipe into the clamping. Step on the pedal or click the start again. Production demonstration. Switch to the semi-auto mode. Place the workpiece. Press the control panel to do the edge cutting. Take out scrap and workpiece. Use the exchange table and change to a flanging mold. Place the workpiece after cutting. Press the slider to do the flanging. Change into the crimping mold. Place the workpiece and crimp the edge. Change into the hole punching mold. Punch the hole on the workpiece after the curl. Take out the finished wheelbarrow bucket. Click the auto key. Step on the pedal or click the start. Feed the pipe into the clamping. Step on the pedal or click the start again.
HARSLE. Save time, money.